Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lecture by Mr. Domne. Here I am going to tell you how you can use the basic function in Excel and you can do the data analysis here. In the previous video I've shown you one assignment. What was the scenario? Let me explain you first. The scenario was we were using some basic function and try to add a domain name to the person name. So here the scenario was that every year in US lot of students they take an admission. So there was a task assigned to the data analysis person, like how you can find out the length of the name first, and how you can find out the length of the name with the address symbol in the whole person Gmail ID or any ID, and then add a college domain to their name. Here you can see here I have added nitrkl.ac.in, which is a one domain name for the college. So in the same way we have to do it. So in the last video, if you have not seen my previous video, then just go to my YouTube channel and see the Excel playlist where you will understand that how I have used the length function and find function, and I found out the I found the size of the name as well as the size of a name and address symbol in my Gmail ID. So we will going to do the same. Now what I need to do it, in order to make the email ID, I need to combine those two. But before combining that, I need to find out the name with this address symbol. How we're going to do that? For that we need to use the left function. That left function will give you the name and address symbol from the person personal mail ID, whatever it is, Gmail, Hotmail, Reddit, whatever it is. After that we need to add a college domain to that. So I've shown you in my previous video length function, find function, how you can use it. Now I will go to show you how with the help of a left function you can find it out, the name as well as the address symbol, so that this you can add it with the college domain and at the end you can make it. So let's see it. In order to find out the name and address, you need to use this left function. For that, just type left. Once you type it, it will show you, it will give you the suggestion like what are the parameter you need to pass. So in order to pass the parameter, you just need to use first the string. What string you need to use it? The string is here, this name one, right? Means here this name one and address symbol you need to find it out. And and how many character you need to find out, that you will decide it. So here I want this name one and address symbol in every mail ID. So I will pass the column name. So here what is the column name? This D1, and the row is starting from the data row is starting from 8. So it means I need to pass it here D8. And what else I need to pass it? The second option is here, you need to pass the number of character. The number of character, how many number of character you usually have, including your name and address symbol. You can see with the help of find function we have find it out. Suppose here name, right, 4 character 1 5 and this address symbol, so total 6 character are there. Similarly, if you can check it here, name plus 106 address 7, so total 7 character are there. So I will going to pass out this f, and it's starting f8, so I will pass here f8, and I will close the parenthesis, and I will simply print the enter button. So you can see here I got this name and one address, right? So how easily with the help of this left function you can find it out, the name as well as the address symbol. So here I'm going to do the same, name one address, right? Now you want to combine it. So how you can combine it? In order to combine it, let's add first a new column here left to it. In order to add it, just click on the column and insert one left. Once you click on this insert one left, you will see that one left column is added here, right? So first let me reduce the column length so that it can be visible to you. In order to reduce it, just you need to drag this on the left. Now once I drag it, it's combine it, right? Now here what you have to do it, here you need to concatenate the name that you have got from this left column as well as this domain name. So for that, what you need to do, just type the column. I'm typing the name concatenate here because I will use the concatenate function here. Now in order to use that concatenate function, just type C concatenate. You can see it will give you the suggestion. So once you click on this suggestion, it will tell you what are the parameter you need to pass. So the parameter like this, hello and goodbye, so that it can concatenate these two. But here I want to concatenate all the values of the G column, so I will pass the G value, the column name here G. So I pass G and starting from the 8th row, so G8. Now, whatever the domain name that you want to concatenate it, you need to just pass it in a double quotes. So I want to add a NITRKL, as I was a student of NITRKL, so I thought that to use this NITRKL, you can use anything in place of this. .com, .edu, anything you can use it. Even you can use any college name. I was just taking an example to show you the real time example because my mail ID was there, NITRKL domain name was there. So I have just took this example. Now here, what was the syntax? Concatenate function. What you need to add it, this suffix that you need to add it is the name and address symbol and the domain. Now once you're done with this, just press enter button. Now you can see it. Now you can drag it also. See here, once I drag it, got all the name with address symbol. Similarly here, if you want to find it out the similarly, you need to drag it here. See how the mail ID with respect to. So now you can see the comparison name 10 address hotmail, name 10 address nitrkl.ac.in. So how easily you can find it out the mail ID. So in this video, I've shown you how with the help of basic function length, find, left, concatenate, you can do the assignment and it will help you to do the data analysis. If you like my video, then just subscribe it, share it, comment it. I will add more and more video, but please subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.